Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today we are going to be having drinks over here. We're going to have, what are the actual sandwiches again? Okay, we actually have nuggets. Nuggets here. We have I forgot what the combo is, 20-piece nuggets. We have a mountain of French fries. We have a quarter pounder with cheese. What are the other two?
Tomato and mozzarella chicken crispy sandwich.
You guys heard that? Amazing. That's from like the worldwide menu, so yeah.
The Grand Extreme Bacon Burger.
The Grand Extreme Bacon Burger. Woo, guys. I'm starving. We also have the Sprite Mix.
Mixed by Sprite Tropic Berry.
Ooh. And we have Dr. Pepper. Because I chose that. So yeah, we're going to start eating. We're starving. So we're going to eat a little and then we'll start with our questions for today. What would you like?
I'm going to try the quarter pounder first.
That's the quarter pounder.
There's no ketchup.
There isn't any ketchup?
Where do you put the ketchup?
I also have ketchup and mayo. You guys know I love condiments.
Wow.
You guys, just to show you my love for condiments, look at the size of the stuff that we buy. Huge. We go through this in how long?
2 months.
So that's what I have right there. Just dipping it in the mayo and then in the ketchup because I'm a pig.
That quarter pounder of cheese was life. You want me to start with questions?
I'm starting. Let me eat a little. So good.
You passed me the Sprite. Thank you. Yeah, the quarter pounder. You know, I always usually get when the rare times, like once maybe every 10 months that I go to McDonald's, I always get the double cheeseburger meal, but I think I'm going to start going to get the quarter pounder.
I love the quarter pounder.
You want to try this? Try it.
You want to try this, you know? Which one is this now?
The crispy sandwich.
Crispy chicken sandwich. Oh, we also have barbecue and sweet and sour
we
sauce.
Get the cookies.
We were eyeing these cookies. What's you guys' favorite McDonald's sauce for your nuggets? Mine is, I really do this, you know, you guys, I love condiments. So I always dip it in the sweet and sour sauce and then I dip it in the ketchup, like a quick little.
That's a tomato and mozzarella crispy chicken crispy sandwich.
Forgot. So good.
This is like a 7.8.
Wow. A lot better than I thought it would be. Oh yeah. Should we start these questions?
Mm-hmm. Are you ready for
Uh-huh.
the first question?
Mm-hmm.
What would you name your boat if you had one?
If I had a boat,
Yeah.
I would. This one is the Grand.
Mm-hmm.
Which.
It's the Grand Extreme Bacon Burger.
This has a smoky flavor to it.
Mm-hmm. I don't know. I'm trying.
Cool.
No, I'm just working on some nuggets. What would you name your boat?
I would name my boat probably something like the Grand Pan. That's a good one. Grand Pan. You?
I used to be a woman's name, so I think I named it after my mother. That Jan.
Why it has to be a woman's name?
Which I was named after a woman.
Yeah? Why?
I think. That's the thing. I don't know.
You think or you know?
I feel like we're like 70-80% sure.
Mm.
I'm not a Catholic, so
Okay, you guys, sorry. The food got cold and I hate eating cold food, so we paused to like reheat it. Unfortunately, we're having a reheat at McDonald's now, but whatever, I'll eat, I'm hungry. Continue. Oh, also, another update. There will be a part 2 to the video because we forgot to order dessert. So we're going to do a little dessert video. Just trying 3, what are we doing? We're going to do a Oreo McFlurry. Well, we'll let you guys, if you guys want to know what we're going to do, what we're going to have for the desserts, just
watch the rest of the video.
Not watch the rest of the video. You guys make sure you check out our next video, which is our dessert, McDonald's dessert video.
I got it.
Yeah.
2 different videos. You know what this Sprite reminds me of?
Yeah.
The Baja Blast.
Is it really hot?
How is this? Mmm. Alright. You gonna fire back up these questions?
Yeah. Now this is amazing.
Have you gone out with mismatched socks or shoes on?
Yeah, I have. I've
What
worn
kind?
mismatched socks before. You know, around the time when you need to do laundry, that happens.
I wore mismatched shoes one time, remember? I walked 2 blocks down from my apartment, my old apartment.
Oh yeah?
You were there. You stayed inside when I went to go get food. And they came back out there. I was wearing 2 different shoes. And I was wondering why I was looking at me funny.
Oh yeah. You didn't notice either of that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Which planet in the solar system would you visit?
Would I live in?
Would you visit?
I guess Pluto, because it's tiny and it's so far. Do you have any better questions than that?
Yeah. If you could have true love or $1 million, which would you choose? You can be honest.
I don't know, because I'm trying to think, because I will want $1 million. Initially, that's what people would think first. But loneliness sucks, you know? So, I don't know. What do you think?
You already know me.
Love.
Yeah. I'll make $1 million myself.
That's what I was saying. I'd be in love and build an empire, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And then be worth $1 million. Because being rich and lonely sucks.
Would you rather be clever or beautiful? Would you rather be clever or beautiful?
Beautiful.
You already are. You already are beautiful.
I'm just kidding.
Would you rather be really hairy or bald?
Really hairy. I'm so hairy, you guys. I got this hair, and I cut my hair.
If you could rule the world for a day, state something that you banned.
I would ban. Well, we just finished watching that movie. What is it? When They See Us. So I would ban racism, for sure.
I don't know if you can ban that. Because racism's already against the law. But you can't tell people to stop being racist.
You're right. So I would ban... Crack. It's already illegal. What would I ban? I don't even know. Oh, well, if people can be mean to animals, right? That's bad too? Yeah. What?
Well, you banned. Banned.
I don't know. Everything I think of is kind of already banned.
I was gonna say I banned cell phones on the train, but then I was like, damn, that means I have to like talk to people and stuff. I'm good on that. But then I was thinking maybe I banned people driving in the rain because they drive so slow. And they're so stupid when they drive.
Sure.
And it rains.
That's true. Like no one, like when it rains, no one's allowed to be on the road.
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
It's almost like it's a snowstorm but rain.
I really don't know what I would ban.
No?
I don't.
I would also ban, I think it's just because I don't like a lot of stuff anymore. I'd also ban kids having cell phones before they're like 15.
Why?
Because it's so annoying.
Why?
When I see like a kid on the train, he's like 6 with his cell phone.
It's dangerous.
He's just playing a game, and then he just walks right into me. And then I feel bad because he walks into me and he falls down. Like it's my fault. So you trying to set me up? You know?
Yeah. Chomp. I'm out of sweet and sour sauce.
So the barbecue.
I wonder what that restaurant thinks. Because you just ordered again from them.
They're probably just like, oh, they forgot dessert.
Oh. They're probably happy, I think.
Mm-hmm.
It's so much better hot.
Have you ever won a trophy or medal?
I used to dance.
What did you win it? What did you win it there?
Like top dancer. What? What?
Nothing. That's cool. I won second place in a geography bee in 6th grade. That's maybe my crowning accomplishment in my entire life.
Wow.
And then my men's rec team won a championship.
What?
My men's rec soccer team won a championship.
I thought that's what you were going to say, soccer.
My team never won the championship in high school. Who is the most inspirational person to you?
Beyonce. That's sad, right?
No. She's a strong ass woman. She empowers women, doing the right thing. Her and Jay-Z always stand up for the right thing. No, Like they're big philanthropists, so
Yeah.
bad role model. It's a great role model for women.
Sure. I thought you were gonna say something mean.
No. I think Beyonce is a really good role model, actually.
She is.
Except when she sicks the beehive on people for talking to her man for 2 seconds.
The beehive just does what they want. That's what we do.
Is it the beehive or the bayhive?
The beehive.
No.
Don't disrespect.
The bayhive? I think right now for me it's Corey Wise. Just because we just finished watching the show. He's like a fighter for sure. What was your favorite birthday or Christmas present?
My favorite ever. I remember when my brother, well, I think it's one of the most memorable one is like when my brother got me. At one point I was telling him I really wanted to do YouTube. I wanted to do this so bad. I wanted to do this so bad. In case you guys don't know, I have a makeup page, a makeup channel. But I wanted to do it. That's all I was obsessed with years ago. And my brother surprised me with, so my brother got me a, like he got me a little version of everything basically. He got me a camera, a camcorder, a little handheld camcorder. He got a computer with a house, a big computer. And I forgot what else. I don't know if it was a software or something like that. Basically everything so I could be able to start my YouTube channel. So I started filming, but I was so shy, so scared of what people thought, and I didn't feel confident in myself. So every time I would film, I would delete. I would film, I'll delete. So the computer really was used mostly to watch YouTube videos, and that's it. And then a shitload of years later, I decided to finally start my channel and not be scared about it. So then that leads me to my second most favorite gift, which is also my boyfriend got me like a really good quality camera, my first DSLR, and just everything so I can be able to film. That's it. And every year he just upgrades it for me.
That's nice of him. Sounds like a decent guy. My favorite gift was, I remember growing up, like my dad would always like get me like books because like that's what my parents were. But one year, when like remember the portable CD players? Yeah, like the headphones. It was like the first like before like iPods and stuff. My dad got me one, and I was like, it was like the best gift I ever got because finally like I had a gift that like other kids were getting and not like nerdy loser gifts.
No way.
Yeah, there's only like as many things, you know, as many books. Like I can't read every book in the world, but he thought I could.
That's awesome.
And then my second favorite gift, I think, was these pair of soccer cleats. When they came out, they're called the Predators, and they're like the first of their kind. They had this stuff on them to make the ball spin. They're by David Beckham. And he sent me to like six soccer camps that summer.
Wow.
So it was awesome.
That's awesome.
It says which fictional character would be the most boring to me in real life. But I think we should change it up and say which fictional character would be the most exciting to me in real life. Because who wants to know the most boring character?
Oh, yeah.
I want to be him because he's boring.
You go first.
Shit. Any fictional character?
Superhero. Let's make it superhero, yeah. What?
I think I would like to meet Mr. Incredible. He's pretty badass.
Very badass, yeah. I think Wonder Woman, obviously.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel that. I like that movie. Those movies are
I love her. She's so pretty. What's her name again?
Gal, got it? Gaia? I don't know. Gal something.
Gaggett. I'm so cool. You better finish.
I didn't finish. I finished all my burgers.
Here.
You keep on putting a burger on my plate.
Huh? Oh, because I know you wanted more of that chicken.
I really just want more of that quarter pounder.
Oh, the one thing we don't have. Oh, this is right here.
What? It's not a quarter pounder. I don't know. The bacon was like almost too much for me. The bacon was almost too much for me. It's like a lot.
Oh, you could take the bacon out of it.
No.
Why?
I want to save some room for this dessert.
Finish.
I'm so excited.
Finish the food. I'm taking the bacon out, you guys. I'm not feeling the bacon too much either. Like, in the beginning, you do eat it, but like eventually, like you said, it's just a lot. Look at all this cheese. We better go.
Yeah. Oh, that's good. You don't think this is like reminds you of the Baja Blast?
A little bit.
Yeah. That's why I knew I had that flavor similar somewhere. I hope no one ever sees my Uber Eats receipts.
Why?
You order from McDonald's twice in a day.
In one day. Even the drinks are melting. That's how hot it is. You're hot?
No, I'm fine. It's so beautiful outside.
It is. So what's the question? You didn't answer it.
I haven't answered a new one yet.
Alright, you have to eat more.
Alright, fine. What's the best praise or advice you've received?
From you.
What was it?
Just to keep going. And not give up.
That was gonna be mine.
Huh?
That was gonna be mine.
From me?
My dad.
So you learned that from your father.
I told it to you. Like, never give up on your dreams.
Yeah. See?
Because you're never gonna be happy if you do.
Yeah.
So that's why I always encourage you to always push forward whenever you're feeling down.
Yeah?
Everyone needs a good kick. You kicked me too.
Yeah.
Just give me a little kick.
I don't know what we're going to do because I'm really full.
Yeah. Who's the messiest person you know?
You.
I was gonna say me too.
But you're a lot less messy than in his old apartment. So much. You knew exactly what he wore because every outfit was in a part of the room. Monday's outfit, Tuesday's outfit. Tell me that isn't true. When I would come visit him, I'm so loud. He does it here and there, but then I scream at him. I'm like, come on.
You're so right.
I call you out on it.
I've always actually wanted to ask this. But I think I know. But not college. In elementary school, what was your favorite subject? In elementary school / like high school.
That's such a big jump for us. It's elementary, middle school, and then high school.
Alright, so what was your favorite subject in high school?
In high school, performing arts, because I used to dance and act. And then afterwards, it was psychology. And then after that is English. I was in advanced classes for English.
Mine was history.
Oh yeah, history.
I love history. And I think one of the reasons...
I didn't appreciate history until later on in life.
I love history.
I never understood why we needed to know things because I was like, oh my god, this is...
I think history is why I have such love for the news. But
you do love the news.
I do.
He knows everything. He'll literally break everything down for you.
I love the news. I don't know why.
It is interesting. But it also gets me really depressed. Like,
yeah, for sure.
When I watch the news, I always feel depressed afterwards.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, this world sucks.
For sure. That's why you gotta balance it out. Because read 3 articles about someone getting killed, and then I'll read a good story in the news. To try to balance it out.
That makes sense. I Alright, you guys, so we have like about 3 nuggets left and french fries. I'm stuffed and we... He's making noise. We just got a delivery of our dessert and it's ice cream. So we're gonna stop this video here. We're gonna end it here. And now we're just gonna film our second part, which is our dessert part, but we need to set up and everything. So yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to view our part 2 of our McDonald's mukbang.